You see, there's this little game called Inscription, and the
Yeah.
game has a mechanic where you can turn your actual computer files into a fighting card. The only issue is that that fighting card was supposed to be chosen by date. Thus, the card has seen many things and wants to shoot itself, meaning that it's suicidal. Not only that, when a card is suicidal, well, of course, it kills itself. And when that card dies, the data will disappear from the computer. So what happened is that entire mechanic was registered as a cheat.
So you
It
basically
wasn't
try to
confirmed,
install
so it was
cheats.
fine. Yeah, that's what they think I did.
Oh, guys.
What the
Wildfire, this was right.
Go rush me.
He don't have much.
Okay, the mid guy went mid. Well, he's going hey, under.
What am I doing though?
Wait, what? There's two at eight, two at eight.
Three.
Three?
No,
Okay.
four.
More are coming, yeah. There's one more below. Come on, take him out. Behind the stairs. Oh, did you kill? Oh, behind. Short, yeah, short. Nice one.
How did I get MVP?
Why not?
What the fuck?
Why not?
What the fuck?
Why? There will my ST's doing well on the defense. Oh my god, the teammates are terrible. They were literally hiding the entire time. Okay, we don't even talk about the other guy's spray. Alright, one's below you. Oh, he's gone. Alright. Well, we're kind of.
Second.
ST's already saving. He's actually gonna make it. Awesome.
Yellow. Yellow.
We can go A, you know.
Yellow, go.
Idiot.
Oh my god, I hate my teammate. I'm not happy about the teammate.
Oh.
There's one coming from A short to mid.
The other one's just middle.
Damn, ST popping off. Might want to pick up.
No.
Nice one. Tagged, was it?
Yeah, very sure.
Well, 1 minute. You've got some time. There's one more there right next to stairs. Yep. Yeah, there's one just safely to be, you know, through pal. Oh, you heard him. Your teammate. Oh. Oh, please just bring the bomb.
Go,
Thank
go,
you.
go.
Plant that shit. Alright, you should watch the pal, yeah. One's coming to Andorra's side, very likely. Very, very likely. Andorra be on guard. Andorra, yeah, Andorra's side, yep. Nice one.
Nice safety.
I love having a teammate that just voluntarily kills himself.
Looking this way.
Just keep going to B. Please deal with B.
Oh, nice.
What? I'm
Done.
terrified. There's one. Okay. There's one pretty low. Oh, yep.
Oh. Nice.
Alright, so the others are full HP.
Nice.
Andorra side one, only one. So you've got quite the sniper team if you go through CT, so don't be seen by CT. Oh, one's flanking, good. SK1's gonna be coming from behind you as well.
Yeah, I
like
know.
from mid, yeah.
That's why I'm gonna move here now.
Clever idea. Our teammate did not pick up that hit and is now surrounded by 3 people. Okay, we're not going that way. SD?
And your teammate.
That's the point.
Oh god, my teammate scared my eyes. Oh! Full way.
Plan 2A minimum.
Well, the bomb is there.
3, yeah, it looks like a fillet, looks like a fillet. Okay, yeah, you can, of course, we'll bang.
Oh!
Ako ilvihm.
Täis puhas taev.
On!
Ja mul pilvi pole siis praegu. No vähemalt
Tee nalja vä? Bro, mul on full padukas.
mul on iga päev vaja .
Bro, mul on praegu.
Let me just. There we go. We actually have to accept that guy's AFK. We could use the money a lot.
Eesti, ma ei tule tunda sind.
sind ka .
Yikes.
et siis seekord me cookime. kuule, kuradi ma rokkisin selle hm?
Watch my smoke though .
Fucking mushroom. autodega. kaks tugi. Läksin seda teha. mine . Mine . Näpelda.
You guys have one coming from CT. I'm watching our back.
Oh jah .
Sorry, I was a little too slow, my bad.
nagu kaks tükki , vaata . topeltpildid .
kusjuures
Aga no-
siuksed inimesed eksisteerivad .
ma tean jaa .
kuule , oota ,
oota ,
vaata , smoke ,
oota .
vahi smoke .
Vaika , väga ei aita meid . ma saan pushi . Headshot , Tollow . Nice .
Moi mun nii
oota ,
palju .
I honestly, I'm just go on without me. You guys took your time. We're getting flanked.
You see my smoke .
Ugh. One flanking. Flashing him. Great. Two. Good luck.
jah .
And where did the bomb get dropped? Could you hold them back a little longer?
Coming . From your side .
Where?
On the plan .
Alright, no shot. The ones that beat a rusher might pick up an ult. Low.